Hello everybody! Today's video is about hit and run incidences as well as civil chases and instant karma. Enjoy watching. The video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Your comments and criticisms are of course always welcomed.
Blind curve on an on-ramp. Wrong way up it. Cars going wrong. Blind curve on an on-ramp. Wrong way up it. Cars moving down 50 miles.
I've been in an accident.
Moving down 50 miles.
I've been in an accident.
Oh man.
The guy's shot. I've been hit. The guy's running. Going towards Spring Valley on the other side of the service road.
The first story will tell how the driver of a Dodge Ram rammed a police officer who was off duty, just driving to his police station. What is in your head to start running away after ramming a police car?
He plowed into me. He's running. I'm right behind him. It's a red Dodge. Young, 6813.
Almost immediately, another police Dodge Charger and a policeman on a motorcycle joined the chase.
We are getting on the toll road. Right south of Alpha. We're on the 605 West exit only lane. Young, 6813. We're going 635. Nope, he's not going 65 West. We're staying on DNT. We're still on the DNT South. Southbound, we're heading up on the Loop 12 exit, south of Royal Lane.
So you guys are going on to Loop 12, correct?
He's in that lane to exit right now. We'll see what he does. He is taking the Loop 12 highway exit on DNT, southbound. It's a red Dodge. License plate is on Loop 12. Northwest.
So you're currently on Northwest Highway?
Yes, ma'am. He's
And
turning
what's the
left.
property?
He's turning left. He's doing a U-turn. We're going back towards the DNT on Northwest. We're still on Northwest, and it looks like he's getting back on the DNT going northbound.
And what's Can I get you?
We're on DNT going northbound. We'll be heading up towards, we're passing the Walnut Hill Lane exit right now. He's making the exit. Yep, he took the exit.
for Walnut
Oh,
Hill?
he's 1050, major accident. He's flipping over the edge. Vehicle's flipped. I'm getting out with my gun.
After an unsuccessful attempt to fool the police, the Dodge Ram skidded and hung on the guardrail. After the impact, the fuel line was damaged and the pickup caught fire. The driver got out of the vehicle himself and was immediately apprehended. This driver just hit our car while trying to leave the parking lot. One of the worst drivers I've ever seen. Thanks to the fact that the author posted the video on YouTube, he was able to find the guy who did it and bring him to justice. I apologize for the quality of this clip, but this is the original. Note the minivan coming from the left. For a second, the driver was distracted, and while trying to restore control, he hit another car, which flew into the fence. The driver of the minivan fled. Around 10 p.m., a white sedan in Walnut Hills, possibly a 2008-ish Lexus IS model, ran straight into my car and may have nearly totaled it. Hit and run. The driver of the truck did not pay attention to the vehicle's dimensions and smashed the mirror. Of course, he drove on. No one thought to stop.
Get the over. You non-driving mother.
Some kid came in hot trying to park his truck next to my brand new STI and hit my front right bumper and fender. He then decides to park somewhere else and continue on him and his dad's night playing pool. I remembered my dash cam. I saw where he relocated to and called the cops. After reviewing the tape, the cops went after him inside the building and he played dumb, of course. After the cops and I finished our laughter from this denial, we revealed to him that I had a dash cam.
What? What?
My wife and I were on our way home when this idiot sideswiped a driver.
Did you see him hit that car? He hit that car.
I got that on dash cam. I'll go chase him down.
I gave the footage to the police in hopes they'll be able to find him. And after a few days, they caught and arrested him. Yes! He left his duffel bag in the Jeep. It had a bunch of drug paraphernalia and his ID. It's not on the video, but the girl, as it turned out later, being under the intoxication, crashed into a parked car while parking and decided to try to escape. During the chase, the author called 911 to report the incident.
Hello, there's a person that just did a hit and run, and I'm following at a safe distance. Can I give you your license plate? Okay. It's a black Hyundai, license plate APBN929, and this happened on Venice and 6th Street. No. 8P as in Paul, B as in boy, N as in 929. No. Sorry, 8, number 8, license plate. Sorry, so the first number is 8. The next 3 letters are PBN. Then, yeah, and then 929. So 8 PBN 929. I don't think so. She's in a black Hyundai Elantra. She's getting out the car. No, that's my neighbor's car. She stepped out the car. Yeah. Okay, the cops are right here. It's good. The cops are right here. I think that's the cops. Okay. Yeah,
To the author's luck, a police officer found him first. Later, the girl went to jail for fleeing the scene of an accident and driving under the influence of alcohol.
She did a hit and run on 6th and Venice. She hit a brown Sienna. She's right here. She's in the car.
No questions to answer today, but I still like to thank you for watching and for your support.